What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here are the CPU-Z. Yeah, you wanna see the CPU-Z? Here you go for the CPU-Z. What are the specs? So as you can see, you can read the specs by yourself by pausing the video. Isn't it? You can read all of the specs by yourself by stopping the video. Here is the device, system, battery, thermal sensor. Yeah. So here's the device, as you can see, Nova Onyx. It comes with a 2 GB of RAM, quad core processor. The SoC is quad core, as you can see by yourself. Isn't that awesome? Quad core, 1.6 GHz, Mali T760 GPU. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.